we're preparing a special Christmas Eve dinner. I want to help my parents, but I have to record this. So, okay, my mom is laying out some fried noodles. My dad is making some orange fried pork, I think. Fried pork, orange flavor. Here. Here, Mom. Oh, you choy. Okay. Okay, let's look into the oven, see what we have. Oh, wow. So many dishes. We're gonna get a better look later. Stir frying some snow peas. Okay, cooking some salmon in the air fryer. Wow! Wow!
这一箱多少钱呢？这一箱多少钱？
凍得滯啊！凍。
我以為你抌一下落去蒸。OK。嗰啲啊？5分鐘嗰種。Let's take a look, see if it's ready. Wow, I think it's ready. Yeah.
攞個上啊！攞個上啊！你攞去頂，你攞去頂。會。
I think this is ready, man. This is ready. So here's one. Okay. So here's the second dish. Chicken and ham. And then we have a whole table of food right here. Got the cauliflower ham, broccoli, yu choy, salmon, fried shrimp, chicken, sweet and sour pork, lamb and daikon, chow mein, some pork and tofu, mushroom, snow peas, pickled daikon, and mushroom,
因為有其他我拎開嗰個先，我得一啲。
pickled nuts,
哪个有花生啊？
and of course the porridge.
誒，機頭有飯。OK，我最近先上。